वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। आज सोशल साइंस क्लास 7 गुजरात बोर्ड का वर्कबुक की फर्स्ट लेसन के एक्सरसाइज हम देख रहे हैं। ठीक है, सोशल साइंस का फर्स्ट चैप्टर का नाम है टू बिग स्टेप। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट आंसर्स। ठीक है, इसमें फर्स्ट है हु हैड इम्प्रेस्ड राजश्री। इसका आंसर है देवगुप्त। विद द हेल्प ऑफ विच बुद्धिस्ट monk did हर्षवर्धन गेट हिज सिस्टर राजश्री लिबरेटेड। इसका आंसर है द्वारका मित्र। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है Where did Harshvardhan hold religious conference where 5 years? इसका आंसर है in प्रयाग। फोर्थ है which great poet of Sanskrit adorned the court of Harshvardhan? इसका आंसर है बनभट्ट। डी है बनभट्ट। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है which university was famous worldwide in the pride of Which university was famous worldwide in the period of Harshvardhan? इसका आंसर है नालंदा। सिक्स क्वेश्चन है From which town did gold find its way to India because of trade in the period of Harshvardhan? इसका आंसर है रोम। सी रोम। Which Chinese traveler attended the 6 religious council held by Harshvardhan in Prague? इसका आंसर है ह्यूनसंग। Which king of Chalukya dynasty performed अश्वमेध यज्ञ? इसका सही आंसर है पुलकेशी I। 9 क्वेश्चन है Which king of Chalukya dynasty had a splendid Vishnu temple constructed in Vatapi? इसका आंसर है मंगलेश। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है Where did the empire of Harshvardhan cease after being defeated by Pulkeshi II in the battle? इसका सही आंसर है टिल नर्मदा। सेकंड क्वेश्चन फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। इसमें फर्स्ट है हर्षवर्धन took charges of Kannauj throne after getting his sister Rajeshri liberated. Second, Harshvardhan raised a wide empire in North India after carrying on his victorious journey for 7 years. Page number 6. Third है Harshvardhan forget even his meal in good deeds. Fourth है we can know many important things of Harshvardhan's period from Harshcharit every day. Fifth है Shilbhadra was the principal of Nalanda University in the period of Harshvardhan. The name of grand and prosperous library of Nalanda University was Dharmganj. 1/6 yield of land revenue was recovered from people in the state of Harshvardhan. 8. Gold and silver coin were used as currency for trade and exchange in the period of Harshvardhan. 9. Hyun-sung has noted that there were 100 Buddhist hermitage in the state of Harshvardhan. 10th the capital of Chalukya dynasty in the South India was Vatapi. The flag of Pulkeshi I bore the sign of Varavatar. Pulkeshi II ruled over for about 30 years. The king of Chalukya dynasty were devotees of Hindu religion. 14. Chandragupta Maurya was the last Hindu emperor of ancient India. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है टिक द करेक्ट in the box against the following statement if they are true and cross mark if they are false. फर्स्ट है देवगुप्त वॉज द किंग ऑफ मालवा, इसका ट्रू आंसर है. हर्षवर्धन वॉज द एल्डर ब्रदर ऑफ प्रभाकर वर्धन, फॉल्स. हर्षवर्धन हैज डिवाइडेड his daily routine into 5 parts, false. The great poet Banbhatta had composed कादंबरी, इसका सही आंसर है ट्रू. हर्षवर्धन had composed the play हर्षचरित्र, इसका आंसर है फॉल्स. आचार्य नागार्जुन was a famous alchemist of Nalanda University, इसका सही आंसर है ट्रू. There was religious equality among the people of Harshvardhan, true answer है. The Chinese traveler Hunsung had stayed in Nalanda University for 15 years and studied both religion, इसका false answer है. Next page number 7, इसमें 9, the Chinese traveler Hunsung had returned to his country in 625 CE, false है. अश्वमेघ यज्ञ was performed by Pulkeshi II, false. King Mangalesh had made the capital Vatapi a very charming town, false. In the period of Pulkeshi II, the influence of Digambar sect of Jain religion had increased, true. Fourth question है match the column. Section A, B. The valiant king of Kannauj, इसका सही आंसर है 4 हर्षवर्धन. The valiant king of Vatapi, इसका सही आंसर है 3rd पुलकेशी II. आचार्य शीलभद्र, इसका सही आंसर है नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी. द कंपोजर ऑफ हर्षचरित्र, इसका सही आंसर है 2 द ग्रेट पोएट बनभट्ट. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First, how did Rajvardhan die? Rajvardhan was killed treacherously by Gaud king Shashank. Second, who had imprisoned Rajeshri? King of Malwa Devgupta had imprisoned Rajeshri. Whom did Harshvardhan think of freeing? Whom did Harshvardhan think of freeing after ascending the throne? इसका आंसर है as soon as Harshvardhan come to the throne, he thought of liberating this sister Rajeshri who had been imprisoned by Devgupta, the king of Malwa. 4 है who defeated Harshvardhan in a battle? Chalukya king Pulkeshi II of South India defeated Harshvardhan in a battle. Next page number 8, 5th question. What was Harshvardhan's daily routine? Harshvardhan had split his daily routine into 3 slots. The first slot was for state administration, the second slot was for public welfare, and the third slot was for allotted for religious deeds. 6th question. Which deed of public welfare had Harshvardhan done? Harshvardhan had constructed rest house, step wells, wells lake, hermitage, monasteries, etc. for public welfare. He also put a ban of killing of living creature. Second question. Which composition of great poet Banbhatt are considered unique in Sanskrit literature? इसका आंसर है 2 composition of Banbhatt, that is Kadambari, Harshcharit, are considered unique in Sanskrit literature. 8th question. Name the play written by Emperor Harshvardhan. इसका आंसर है Emperor Harshvardhan wrote 3 plays, Nagananda, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika. 9th question. Which university was made world famous by Harshvardhan? इसका आंसर है नालंदा विद्यापीठ was made famous world wide by Harshvardhan. 10th question है what special arrangement was made by Harshvardhan for the maintenance of Nalanda University? इसका आंसर है हर्षवर्धन हैज डोनेटेड 100 villages of his state for the maintenance of Nalanda Vidyapit. For the maintenance of Nalanda Vidyapit. 11 question. Which different ashes were recommended to be used as medicine by the alchemist Nagarjuna? Alchemist Nagarjuna had recommended the ashes concentrate of iron while arsenic and mercury to be used as medicine. Next page number 9. 12. Which evil customs prevailed among the people during the reign of Harshvardhan? इसका आंसर है in the period of Harshvardhan the evil custom like sati in bracket wives burning herself after their husband's death on his funeral pyre bracket complete. Child marriage, polygamy etc. were prevalent in society. 13 question है by which games and sport did people entertain themselves in the period of Harshvardhan? इसका आंसर है in the period of Harshvardhan people entertain themselves with games like chess and game of dice. Who entertained people by 14 question. Who entertained people by wandering about from village to village in the period of Harshvardhan? इसका आंसर है in the period of Harshvardhan acrobats and conjurers wandered about in villages and entertained people. 15 question. What were the chief occupation of the people in the period of Harshvardhan? The chief occupation of the people in the period of Harshvardhan was agriculture and animal husbandry. 16 question है what was the special conveyance made by Harshvardhan for trade and transportation of good or commodities? इसका आंसर है for trade and transportation of good or commodities Harshvardhan had made a direct highway from Patliputra to Bhrugu Kutch in bracket presently Bharuch in bracket complete port. Which Chinese traveler, 17th question, which Chinese traveler had come to India during Harshvardhan reign? The Chinese traveler Hyun Sung had come to India during Harshvardhan reign. Why did the state of Kanauj could not extend beyond Narmada? इसका आंसर है there was a great battle between Harshvardhan and the king of Vatapi at Narmada. In that battle, Harshvardhan was defeated against Pulkeshi II. Therefore, the state of Kanauj ceased at Narmada forever. Page number 10. 19 question. Which caves were constructed during the reign of Pulkeshi II? The cave in Vatapi and Dhanpur were constructed in brackets some during the reign of Pulkeshi II. 20 question. When did Pulkeshi II die? How? While fighting in the battle against Mahendravarma of Pallav dynasty of Kanchivaram in 642 AD, Pulkeshi II died. 21 question. In which different thing was Harshvardhan better than Pulkeshi II? इसका आंसर है Harshvardhan was better than Pulkeshi II in his state administration, in the public welfare deeds, in the pursuit of religion, in the generosity of donating, and in his interest in education and literature. Sixth question. Answer the following question briefly. Why was education imparted free of charge cost in Nalanda University? The Emperor Harshvardhan had donated 100 villages for the maintenance of Nalanda University. He had offered entire necessary support for the administration of Nalanda University. As Nalanda University got full financial support from From the Emperor Harshvardhan, education on was given free of cost in Nalanda University. Second question, what was the difference in personality of the two great king Pulkeshi II and Harshvardhan? Harshvardhan was better than Pulkeshi II in his state administration, in the public welfare deeds, in the pursuit of religion, in the generosity of donating, and in his interest in education and literature. Second question, question 7, give historical reason for the following. Harshvardhan is called a great donor. इसका आंसर है हर्षवर्धन held a huge religious congregation at Prayag. Every 5 years he donated all the wealth from his state treasure that he had collected during 5 years. Next, page number 11. 5 years to all the sadhus, santa, brahmin, learned men, etc. He also gave away his own ornaments in donation for this king. For this kind of generosity, we can call him a great donor. Question 8. Give a brief introduction of each in 5 to 6 lines. First, Harshvardhan. He was a valiant king of Thaneshwar. He raised a white emperor in North India from a small state of Thaneshwar by keeping on a victorious journey for 7 years. He possessed deep understanding in the administration of state. He had appointed 7 ministers, secretaries for good administration of his state. He had split his daily routine into 3 parts for the administration of his state to carry out deeds of public welfare and religious deed. Second है Pulkeshi II. He was a valiant king of Chalukya dynasty. He was a very brave warrior. He had won many states in South India. He had made Vatapi the capital of very charming town. He had prevented Harsh of North Gujarat by defeating him at Narmada, proceeding to South India. Pulkeshi II was a lover of art. In his period, the cave of Vatapi and Dharapuri were constructed. Some worldwide known wall painting in the Ajanta cave were prepared in his period. In his period, people were happy and prosperous. ठीक है, इससे यहाँ से कंटिन्यू है. ठीक है, ये मैंने कट कर दिया है. यहाँ से ये पूरा स्टार्ट होता है. द चाइनीज ट्रैवलर ह्यून संग एडमायर द वेल्थ ऑफ पुलकेशी II वेयर मच while fighting in the battle against a king of Pallav dynasty of Kanchivaram. He was killed. Pulkeshi II had ruled for 30 years. अभी थर्ड शॉर्ट नोट्स स्टार्ट होते हैं ह्यून संग यहाँ से. ठीक है. He was a Chinese traveler. He had come to India to study Buddha religions in the period of Samrat Harsh and Pulkeshi II. He had studied Buddha religion studying in Nalanda University for 5 years. He visited different places. Of India for 15 years. He attended the 6 religious council held by the Emperor Harshvardhan. Hyun Sung has narrated in his diary the condition of society, politics, religious, economy and education at that time. We can learn the history of that time from it. in his diary. He has admired the life of people and the grandeur of the king Harshvardhan and Pulkeshi too. He returned to China on the route of Middle Asia in 645 AD. When he returned to China, he had carried with him some Buddha books, some remnants of Lord Buddha and some statues of Lord Buddha. ठीक है, तो आज का ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वर्कबुक का सोशल साइंस का यहीं पे खत्म होता है. अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा. ठीक है, और भी कौन सी वीडियो आपको चाहिए है तो कमेंट्स के द्वारा बता दीजिएगा. ठीक है, और हमारी ये सारी वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू. टेक केयर. बाय.